In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best kitchen faucets in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which kitchen faucets is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Moen 7245C Belfield Traditional Kitchen Faucet. Chrome coating is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any kind of embellishing design. Simple TO mount, functions Duralock quick attach system for simple installment. Versatile layout, made to be installed with 2 or 4 openings, optional deck plate included. ADA compliant, complies with Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA specs. Here is the item number 4, Moen 7185 SRS Brantford Kitchen Faucet. Spot immune, area stand up to stainless surface resists fingerprints and also water spots for a cleaner looking kitchen area. Retractable, furnished with the reflex system for smooth operation, very easy activity, and also secure docking of the spray head. Enhanced stream, Moen's special power boost technology offers a quick tidy, and also much faster full of the press of a switch. Simple TO install, functions Duralock quick attach system for easy setup. Versatile design, made to be installed via 1 or 3 holes, escutcheon consisted of. ADA compliant, follow Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA specifications. The item number 3, Moen 7565 SRS Align Kitchen Pull-Down Faucet. Optional 3-hole deck plate available. Marketed separately, Moen 141002. Area resistant, place withstand stainless coating withstands fingerprints as well as water areas for a cleaner looking cooking area. Power clean spray innovation gives 50% much more spray power versus a lot of our pull down and pull out taps without the power tidy technology. Retractable, furnished with the reflex system for smooth operation, simple movement, and safe and secure docking of the spray head. Simple TO setup, features Duralock fast attach system for easy setup. Adaptable layout, designed to be mounted with 1 opening, optional escutcheon, SKU 141002, offered individually. ADA compliant, adhere to Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA specifications. Number 2 in our list, Moen 5923 SRS Align Spring Kitchen Faucet. Place resistant, spot resist stainless coating stands up to fingerprints as well as water places for a cleaner looking cooking area. Reach, provides to 4 times the pipe reach versus rival property spring taps faucet pull down hose pipe offers flexible water shipment. Retractable, tap pull down pipe supplies flexible water distribution and tube pulls back easily. Power clean spray modern technology offers 50% a lot more spray power versus the majority of our pull down as well as pull out faucets without the power clean technology. Dramatic, 22.5-inch high neck spout has a 10-inch docked spout reach, not just fashionable, but functional as well. Simple TO install, attributes Duralock quick connect system for very easy installation. The top one in our list, Moen 7594 EWSRS Arbor MotionSense Kitchen Faucet. Spot immune, area withstands stainless coating, withstands fingerprints and water, places for a cleaner looking kitchen. One sensing unit, MotionSense Wave includes single sensor touchless activation, permitting you to conveniently transform the water on and off with the wave of a hand. Power Clean Spray. Modern technology supplies much more spray power versus most of our pull down and also pull out faucets without the Power Clean technology. Retractable, equipped with the reflex system for the smooth procedure, simple activity, and protected docking of the spray head. Flexible style, made to be mounted via 1 or 3 openings, escutcheon included. Built to last, backed by Moen's minimal lifetime warranty. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best kitchen faucets amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.